Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get Astral Luck in Dungeon RNG. Astral Luck is a vital game mechanic that dramatically increases your chances of finding rare and powerful items within dungeons. It directly influences the quality of swords, relics, and other valuable drops you encounter. Achieving higher Astral Luck can unlock access to the most coveted astral or even cosmic tier items, which are essential for progressing through challenging content. Understanding and optimizing this luck is key to your success and overall enjoyment. There are several effective ways to boost your astral luck. One common method involves using luck potions and temporary boosts, which can double your chances for a limited time. Many games also offer quests and challenges that, upon completion, grant permanent increases to your luck statistics. Don't forget about crafting and upgrading relics. These often provide substantial enhancements to your overall luck. Engaging in special in-game events can also yield valuable luck bonuses, so keep an eye out for those opportunities. The Venture X card offers a $300 annual travel credit, easily applied to hotel bookings made through the Capital One travel portal. For Premier Collection hotels, you'll also get a $100 experience credit, along with benefits like complimentary daily breakfast for two and potential room upgrades. These exclusive perks truly enhance your luxury stays, making every trip more comfortable and enjoyable. To truly maximize your astral luck, strategic management is essential. It's often wise to save your most potent luck boosts for weekend events, as these can double their effectiveness. Many games allow you to sacrifice lower-tier items at a blacksmith to gain valuable astral potions. Engaging with game communities can also be beneficial, as players often share information about shared buffs or upcoming events. Finally, prioritize activities that offer guaranteed astral rolls after a certain number of attempts, ensuring consistent progress towards your goals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.